I'm going to buy my notebook right now. Let's see what they have. Bonjour. Alright. Alright, so again, it's very hot, but I got this book. There's lots of blank pages, and I'm excited to get started. Got my notebook. Yay! So to give you a bit of background, my friend Florine, who has a YouTube channel that you should go check out called Magic Tree, where he does a bunch of challenges, try to learn new skills, he challenged me to do a 30-day drawing challenge with him. I'm really excited to see where that's gonna go, how much I'm gonna improve in the next 30 days. For day 1, we thought it would be really cool to draw the same thing that we're gonna draw on day 30. So we decided to draw a shoe. It's an on cloud is right there. I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen. My experience until here has been 3 years of design school and all of the drawing that I'd done before that. Of course, all the practice that I've been doing since then. I've picked up a few techniques. Super excited to start. So what you typically do when you're trying to draw a product is try to draw the general structure. You can do this by looking at the shapes. You can also look at the proportions, and this step will really help you with getting the proportions of the product right. Once we get our general structure, we'll start adding general details and general shapes that'll help us get more depth with our drawing. After this step, we can start adding some more details to give a better idea of what the product looks like. We follow up this detailed work by adding more shadows. This will create an illusion of a product becoming 3D on the paper. Some things designers will often do to get the product to pop better on the paper is add a black outline. This creates like a shadow around the product. Something you also find often on product sketching is annotations for materials, textures, ideas. So that was the end of day 1. This is the result. Can you see that? I remembered quite a few of the techniques that I'd learned during my bachelor's. I like how to highlight and have these like darker lines around the product so that it stands out more, and a few other things like shading and perspectives and all these little details that make your drawing look more real and like more like an actual product. I had some fun. It was nice to take some time to just draw and listen to music. I'm also gonna be doing these preps every day. Every time I start drawing, I'm just gonna do these preparations first. It just gets your hand going, gets the muscles going, and like with the circles and everything, it gets your perspective flowing. Like you get into that mindset of, okay, I need to think about perspective, I need to think about how I'm going to place these things. Like for example, here it's not very symmetrical, but making this mistake before I start drawing helps me to not make it afterwards. That's all for day 1. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you had a good time. Stick around for the next video where we'll go from day 2 to day 29, talk about some of the issues that I'm encountering, some of the problems, some of the progress that I've done, and see why it's so important to do things consistently and how that helps us develop our skills. If you did enjoy this video, I'd invite you to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you thought. Before we tune off, I'd like to ask you to send me requests for products that you'd like me to draw in the comment section. Let me know what kind of products you'd like to see me draw, and maybe I can give tips on how to better draw certain products. I'll see you in the next one.